So, very good morning to one and all. I'm welcoming you to NEET World, and whoever watching in online, I'm welcome you guys to NEET World YouTube channel. So, whoever coming for the first time in the class, no, we are in the topics like a topic called motion in a straight line. That is, we are dealing with EAPCET series. Okay, right. So in last class we were discussing about the straight lines, na? Yes. Okay. Let me wait for 1 or 2 minutes. People are joining. Okay. Let me wait here. Done. Yeah. Let's wait for 1 minute. Okay. Let's start. Okay. So we were discussing the topic of motion in a straight line, right? So under this we were discussing about the topics like reference point, then we were discussing about inertial frame, then non-inertial frame, then we were discussing the main thing, that is the position, and then displacement, position, then before that we were discussing about the motion and rest. No, yes, what is motion and what is rest. Then we went to the topic like a position, then displacement, right? Displacement, then distance. We were saying what is speed, what is velocity, then what is average speed, and then what is average velocity, then what is instantaneous velocity, right? This was the thing we were discussing in the last class. Now we will go for the next topic, that is acceleration. Okay. So the meaning of acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity with respect to time, which is nothing but A is equals to delta V by delta T. So, V final minus V initial by delta T, right. So, in this also we will discuss about what is instantaneous acceleration. So, instantaneous acceleration is nothing but dV by dt. See, for example, they are asking a question like x is equals to 3t cube plus 2t square plus t plus 5. This is the equation they have given, and at time t is equals to 3 seconds, what is instantaneous velocity and what is instantaneous acceleration they are asking. So, the question is, first one is instantaneous velocity and second one B is instantaneous acceleration. So, here is the trick, like let me take displacement or position, velocity and then acceleration, right now. So, from x to v, if I need to come, I need to differentiate. From v to a, again differentiation, right now. So, from x to a, if I need to come, double differentiation is needed. So, similarly from a to v, integration, v to x, again integration. If we follow this method, we can find the answer for the given questions, right. Okay. So, for this question, no, v will be equals to dx by dt, dx by dt. So, what will be dx by dt? So, 3t cube, no, so 9t square plus 4t plus 1, the constant will be 0, right. So, to 3 seconds, no, so 9 into 3 square plus 4 into 3 plus 1, right now. So, 9 into 9 plus 12 plus 1, 9 into 9 plus 12 plus 1. So, 9 9 81 plus 12 plus 1. So, 93 94 is the answer, no. So, I have taken 3 here. So, 339 t square will come and then 2 4 40 plus 1, okay. So, I have substituted the value. So, it is meter per second. Similarly, if I need to find for acceleration, yeah, okay, you can take down first this one, okay. We will go for the next one, acceleration. You can take this note. Done? Okay. Can we go for the next one? No? Acceleration. Okay, fine. So, let me start from here only. So, acceleration is nothing but dv by dt, right. Now, what was the equation last we got? 9t square plus 4t plus 1, right. So, I need to differentiate that one. So, 18t plus 4, that is it. So, at 3 seconds they are asking, no, at t is equals to 3 second. So, let me substitute the value 18 3 plus 4. So, 18 3s are na. So, this 36 and 54, 54 plus 4 is 58 meter per second square. And let me tell you that SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square, and the dimensional formula is m0 L1 t power minus 2, right? Okay, so now we will see some questions here. Right? Yes, so give me that book now. Yes. Fine. So questions regarding this topic. So the first question is, you can take a note of that. So if displacement of a particle is 0, the distance covered, okay, like what is the question is, if the displacement of a particle is 0, the distance covered must be 0, or may not be 0, cannot be 0, depends upon the particle. So which is the correct option from this? So if I talk about displacement, no. So displacement can be 0, can be negative, can be positive, right? Whereas distance will be 0 and positive only, it cannot be negative. So obviously we can say that like must be 0, no, may or may not be 0, right? Yes na? So may or may not be 0. So if displacement is 0, if we say distance can be or cannot be 0. So either it will be positive, right? No, that's the answer, right? So we'll go for the next one, right? This is the first question. Second question is, let me read that question. A particle covers half of the circle. A particle covers half of the circle of a radius. Okay. So the thing is, this is the particle covering the half of the circle of a radius r. What is the displacement? What is the displacement and what is the distance of the particle? Okay. So let me write here, like from starting to A and ending with the B, and radius of the circle is r, right? So a particle is going in a circular path, right? No, so going in a circular path in the sense, circular path, the circumference is nothing but 2 pi r, 2 pi r, right? No, but when I talk about half of the circle, that is 1 by 2, so 2 will get cancelled, so pi r. So distance will be pi r, distance will be pi r, whereas displacement, this is the longest distance, like actual path travelled. I can travel like this also, the shortest path, that is 2r. So displacement and distance they are asking means 2r comma pi r, okay. Then okay, can we go for the next one? Okay, so here is the next question. See, a particle has been travelled from point A to point B. Point A to point B. This is A and this is B. So first one-third of a distance has been covered by V1 velocity. Next one-third is V2 velocity and next one-third is V3 velocity. So this is total distance is x. Let me take one-third, first one-third, one-third, and this also one-third, and this also one-third. What is the average velocity of the given particle? What is the average velocity of the given particle? What is the average velocity of the given particle? This is the question. So yesterday we have done a similar question, but we have solved like A to B. It has meant first half distance V1, second half distance V2. But here the question is one-third, first one-third, second one-third, third one-third, right? So what will be the average velocity? Can you give answer for this question? So V average. First we'll see who is going to give the answer. Completed? Oh, you need one more minute. Complete it fast. We'll see. We'll see the answers. Done? Okay. So you can keep the answer. Let's cross verify the answers. Okay. So here is the thing. Now we know the velocity formula. Velocity is nothing but the displacement by time, right? Displacement by time. So at time t1, distance has covered is x by 3 and velocity is v1, right? At time t2, velocity covered is x by 3 and velocity, displacement covered is x by 3, velocity is v2. At time t3, no, t3, so it is x by 3 by v3. Done? Okay. Now the average velocity, no, so x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by t1 plus t2 plus t3, right? So what is x1? So let me write here, x1 is equals to x by 3, x2 is equals to x by 3, x3 is equals to x by 3. So x by 3 plus x by 3 plus x by 3 divide by, what is the thing, x by 3 v1 plus x by 3 v2 plus x by 3 v3. So let me take this x by 3 commonly outside from numerator and denominator also, right? So x by 3 commonly outside I have taken 1 plus 1 plus 1, right, divide by x by 3 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by V3. Right now, so x by 3 I have cancelled out. So 3 by cross multiply this. So V2 plus V1 by V1 V2 plus 1 by V3. Right? Then again cross multiply this one. So 3 divided by V2 times V3 times V2, V3 times V1. So V2 V3 plus V1 V3 plus cross multiply this one V1 V2 divide by multiply this V1 V2 V3 V1 V2 V3. So what we will get if I take this to numerator? So 3 V1 V2 V3 divide by V1 V2 plus V2 V3 plus V3 V1. So this is my average velocity of the given question. Okay. So next question will be somewhat tricky. Yes. Can we do that question? I hope you have completed, na? Okay. So next question. So a particle moves in east direction with 15 meter per second. So particle moves east direction, moving east direction 15 meter per second. Then it is, sorry, for 2 seconds they have given. So for 2 seconds, then what they are saying is with 5 meter per second northward again, like it has been turned northward now. So northward 5 meter per second for 8 seconds. Okay, for 8 seconds. For 8 seconds. So find the average speed. Find the average speed. This is the question. Okay. So guys, listen here. When we are doing the average speed calculations, no, so average speed will be equals to x1 plus x2 by t1 plus t2, right? No, but when I see these two things, na, it is meter per second and this is seconds. Okay, time they have given. What about this? I can take directly like v1 plus v2 by t1 plus t2. No, that is velocity by time is acceleration. No, I can't know. So what I should do here? First thing, for eastward, this is east and this is north. No, for eastward, no, 15 meter per second and 2 seconds they have given. Okay, so what is this formula? Speed is equals to distance by time. They have given speed and they have given time. Can I find the distance? Yes, obviously. So distance will be equals to speed into time. So for 15 meter per second and 2 seconds, answer is 30 meter. Whereas for the second one, speed is equals to speed into time, right now, speed into time will be equals to distance. So speed is 5 and time is 8. So the distance will be 40 meter, na? 40 meter. So now we got 30 meter and 40 meter eastward and northward. Can I keep that in this formula now? Yes, obviously now I can keep. So average speed is equals to, what is the thing, 30 meter plus 40 meter divided by how much time? It is 2 seconds and this is 8 seconds. 2 plus 8. So 70 by 10, which is nothing but 7 meter per second. That's it. Easy? Yes, no? Yeah, you want to take question with answer. Okay, take it. Write it down. Done? Can we go for the next one? We'll see next question. Okay, done. We'll go for the next one. Next question. So a particle moves. Okay. Right. The same question I have told. The position vector of a particle changes with time according to the relation. Okay. Changes with time according to the relation. That is R is equals to 15 t square I cap, 15 t square I cap plus 4 minus 20 t square, 4 minus 20 t square j cap. What is the magnitude of acceleration at t is equals to 1? What is the magnitude? What is the magnitude of acceleration at t is equals to 1 second? This is the question given. Okay. So position they have given. Okay, fine. Change in position with respect to time is known as velocity. How we can get? Yes, at time t is equals to 1 second they have given. I can differentiate that. So can I do like this? V is equals to dr by dt. So if I differentiate this one, what I will get? First of all, I will rearrange this one. 15 t square I cap plus 4 j cap minus 20 t square j cap. Okay. Then this is nothing but 30 t square. So 30 t only will come. 30 t I cap. This 4 plus, yes, constant, no, neglect it out. So minus 20 into 2, 40 t j cap. This is my velocity. This is my velocity. A will be equals to dv by dt. So 30 I cap minus 40 j cap. So there is no constant over here, no t in acceleration. Yes, no? There is no value of t here. So the acceleration will not change with respect to time at t is equals to 1 second. So I can say this as a constant acceleration. Constant acceleration. So I need magnitude of acceleration. No, magnitude of acceleration, which is nothing but root over 30 square plus 40 square, which is nothing but root over 900 plus 1600. Right now 900 plus 1600 will be equals to 50 meter per second square. This is my answer for the given question. Simple, right? First I need to differentiate for velocity. I will keep that equation as it is. Again differentiate for acceleration. If t would have been there, no, I need to substitute the value of t over there. If t is not there, I can say it is a constant acceleration throughout the motion at t is equals to 1 second. I mean not t is equals to 1 second, throughout the motion, right? For this given equation, okay, at t is equals to 1 second, what will be the acceleration we have asked? Okay, so if time change also, acceleration will not change. That's the point we can understand here. Okay, oh fine, you can take a note of this. Done? Okay. Okay guys, we'll go for the next topic, one dimensional motion, and we'll see the equations for that. The topic is one dimensional motion or rectilinear motion, we'll say. Okay, one dimensional motion. So under this we'll see equations, that is kinematic equation. Okay, I am going to write those kinematic equation directly. Okay, so V is equals to U plus A T, V square minus U square is equals to 2A S, S is equals to UT plus of AT square, and for Sn it will be equals to U plus 1 by 2A into 2n minus 1. Right now, yeah, 4 equations only. Yes, this equation is for the at time what will be the displacement, at time t is equals to 3 seconds what will be the displacement. Okay, so the 4 equations. Okay, you want to know what is this variables, right? So V is nothing but final velocity, U is nothing but initial velocity, and A is nothing but acceleration, A is nothing but acceleration, T is nothing but time, and S is nothing but displacement. Okay, these are the things. So can we go for the next one? We'll solve problems based on these questions, na? I mean equations. Yes, so now we will see the topic by using this equations. We'll see, right? You keep remember this equation. These equations are very important, very important things. Okay, in the upcoming lessons also. So now 2 conditions let me take. So first condition is body falling vertically down, like a free falling, will say free falling body. This is one thing, and the other thing is a body thrown towards up, towards up. Two cases are there. In this case, let me take a body. Okay, initially the velocity will be equals to 0. Simply I am leaving the body like this. Okay, due to gravity it is going down. Okay, gravity which side? Towards down, right? So I am considering the gravity as acceleration. So in this case, let me take a surface over here where the ball reaches from the height h to the ground level surface. So I am leaving the object like this. What will be the velocity of the object when it reaches the ground? Right? What will be the velocity of the object and how much time it will take to reach? That also I need to find it. Right now, so that I can use this kinematic equation to get the unknowns of the given problem. Let me find by using those three equations. First, let me take the equations. V is equal to u plus at, v square minus u square is equals to 2a s, s is equals to ut plus of at square. These are the equations. Now, first equation, if I write, what will I get? That is the equation. So, v is equals to u plus at. V will be the thing I need to find, t will be the thing I need to find. Okay. So, first equation I will take v, u is 0 plus a is g t, v will be equals to g t. This is 1. Okay. Second equation, v square minus 0 square equals to 2 into g into displacement, s is here h. So, v square will be equals to 2gh, v will be equals to root over 2gh. So, v in terms of t it is gt, v in terms of h it is root over 2gh. The last one, third one, h will be like, okay, s is nothing but h only, no, h will be equals to u is 0, t I will write as it is, plus 1 by 2 gt square. So, h will be equals to 1 by 2 gt square, where t will be equals to, so this 2h by g will be equals to t square. So, t will be equals to under root of 2h by g. First one, second one and third one, total 3 formulas we got for the given condition, free falling body, right. You can take a note of this. So, next condition we will see once you have completed this one. You want to complete it up to this? Yes. Do it fast. We will go for the next one. Done. Okay, let's move for the next one. So similar thing we'll write over here. This is the ground. Okay, this is my ground level, and I have taken the object from the ground. Okay, from the ground. If I want to take this object at height h, okay, I need to give some velocity. No, I need to give some velocity, right? So I need to provide some velocity to reach the object maximum height, h max. Okay, maximum height, where at some point, no, the object will go like this and will come again towards down. So at this point, what happens? Velocity will become 0. Velocity will become 0. No. So v will be equals to 0, but whereas u will not be equals to 0. I need to find what it will be u to go the maximum height. Okay, to go for the maximum height. So once the object is going like this, again it will come back like this. No. So what? How much time will take?
Because they make up.
How much time it will take to come? Right? From going up and coming down. Okay, let's find. So let me take this is T1 and let me take this is T2. So one thing we can say that when it's going up and coming down, same time, no? So T will be equals to T1 plus T2. That's it. Okay, that's it. This is clear. Now we will see here. So gravity is towards down, that is G. Acceleration will be minus. Yeah, I am going against the gravity. So acceleration A will be equals to minus G. This I need to know this. Okay. So simple, guys. Whenever we are solving the problems, right side plus upside plus, sorry, right, yes. Okay, like the direction I need to know. The direction I need to know. So let me find here. First equation, V is equals to U plus AT. What is V? 0. Okay. 0 will be equals to U minus GT. Minus GT. Okay, minus GT. So U will be equals to GT, because let me write here, minus U will be equals to minus GT, minus minus cancel, U will be equals to GT. This is in terms of time and gravity, first one. Okay, fine. Let me go for the second one. Okay, second one will be equation V square minus U square will be equals to 2A. Yes. What is V? 0. Fine. 0 square minus U square will be equals to 2 into minus G into H. 2 into minus G into H. So minus U square will be equals to minus 2GH, minus minus get cancelled, U will be equals to root over 2GH. So I need this root over 2GH velocity to go for the maximum height. If height is equals to 10 meter, how much velocity is needed? For example, if h is equals to 10 meter, velocity needed to go to height 10. Okay. So V will be equals to, sorry, U will be equals to root over 2 into 10 into 10. 2 into 10 into 10. So which is nothing but root 2 into 10. 10 root 2 will say. Right now? 10. Okay. 10 root 2 meter per second. 10 root 2 meter per second. Got it? So the last one is equation. What is the equation? S is equals to ut plus of at square. Ut plus of at square. So in this h, this is h will be equals to ut plus 1 by 2 into minus gt square, minus gt square. So in terms of time, we can see here itself in the first equation itself. What was the first equation? U will be equals to gt. Let me write here. U will be equals to gt, where t will be equals to u by g. This is for going up. What about coming down? Again plus. So capital T will be equals to T1 plus T2. So T1 will be like this, T2 will be again u by g only, right? Again u by g only, no, we got yes. So can I write like this, u by g plus u by g, which is nothing but 2u by g, 2u by g, right? So if this is h max, what will be this velocity? This velocity will be root over 2gh. I can substitute that velocity over here. Okay? Yes. So if they are giving velocity equals to this much and time they have taken this much, what will be the maximum height? I can use this equation to get that. Right? Fine. So you can take a note of this. Yeah. So first, once you have completed, we can go for the next topic. Then I'll scroll down. Yeah, this is the last one. You can take a note of this. So for example, the height is given, what will be the velocity also, we have got it. Done? Okay, guys, and one more thing, like up to this topic we'll stop here in this class. See, we will see the questions in the upcoming sessions. Okay, the the previous year questions based on this topic, motion in a straight line for EAPCET. We'll see questions for NEET also. We'll see questions for the engineering streams also, like a medical stream also, engineering streams also. Okay. And don't worry about that. And one more topic is there, like the graph, right? So once we see what will be the graph and what is the graph is there, and then we'll see the questions. Okay, with this we'll complete this motion in a straight line topic tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, like we'll start with motion in a plane. So try to attend the class regularly. Okay. And guys who have not subscribed the channel, no, like whoever watching in online, so try to subscribe the channel so that you will be get notified so whenever the class going to shot on time. Okay, so this is the thing we need to inform from our side, right? Okay. So and one more thing, that is guys whoever in on like offline, no, they are asking the doubts directly to us, so that is they can clarify the doubts. And whoever having doubts, whoever watching in online, no, you can give the comments in the comment boxes. So once we can go through that whenever we are having time. So if we see that and we can give a reply to the answers, I mean to the questions whatever you have asked. Okay, fine. Thank you guys. We'll meet in the next class.